Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है my last summer haul. So today's video is going to be my last summer haul. क्यों? क्योंकि I feel like winter is coming. Here in Delhi it's very गर्मी okay. अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Even though ऐसा बाहर में ना बारिश होते बहुत ज़्यादा it's गर्मी only. थोड़ा बहुत humid है लेकिन शाम के टाइम में ठंडा भी हो जाता है. So this video is going to be my last summer haul. I have some amazing collection here and it's very affordable. Everything is going to be under 599 rupees. Actually most of them are under 400 ऐसे, but एक है जो 599 ऐसा है. So I'm very excited to show you all this one. So the shirt that I'm wearing is also from Amazon. I will link it in my description box. You guys can see the hand detailing. I am obsessed with the shirt. मैंने पूरा summer ये shirt पहना है and I definitely see myself wearing it next summer also क्योंकि it's in such a good quality. और मैंने ये ना इतने बारी धोया है, धोने के लिए भी दिया है ऐसा laundry में, उसके बाद भी इसका quality बहुत ज़्यादा सही है. And look at the hand detailing guys, like I love this one. This is easily my go-to and my favorite shirt, and I do have another shirt also, another two shirt, let's say guys. It's very exciting. I'm very excited for this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. I will be linking everything in my description box so you guys can go and check it out before it gets out of stock guys. Okay, so moving on to the first one. It's a very pretty shirt top and I wore it recently also when I went to one of my favorite restaurant. मैंने इसलिए photo भी डाला था Instagram में because I am obsessed with this shirt. The color itself is so pretty and so in. It is in this butter yellow color. और ये जो कपड़ा है ना, it's literally foldable like this वाला foldable I'm saying. That means कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा light weight है. It's very easy breezy. और ये पहन के ना आपको ऐसा लगता भी नहीं है कि you have wore something ऐसा ना. It's very comfortable. तो अगर आप ऐसा जगह से belong करते हो जहाँ में winter आते ही नहीं, जैसे कि मुंबई हो गया, then you guys can go and check this out क्योंकि इसका price है only 399 rupees. It's amazing and you can just get it and save it for like next summer also. It's so good guys. Like look at this. And you guys may be thinking कि इसमें क्या ही है, this तो looks like regular shirt only, but let me show you all. It has this very pretty सा hand detailing which does everything again. यहाँ एक छोटा सा ribbon है which you can tie and make it bow like this, and it's very easy breezy guys. Like I love the material so much, so I would highly recommend you all. And the fact that this is only for 399 rupees, it's amazing. I will provide the link. You guys can go and check it out. And I am wearing in size medium. Recently I've been into white color so much. मैंने ना एक outfit पहना था very simple, ऐसे ही normal denim and एक white t-shirt डाल के, and trust me the outfit looked so good कि मेरे को वो दिन realize हुआ कि I need to get more stuff in white color even though manage करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So this is my white t-shirt and here is the white t-shirt that I am talking about guys. Look at this, it's so pretty. इसका जो print ना वो भी मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा summery and ऐसा गोवा वाला vibe लगा. I think because of this, you know, designs जो पूरा ऐसा beach वाला vibe देते हैं. I'm also watching Samurai Turn Pretty, तो yeah, it's like going so well in my head. And look at this guys, it's so pretty. और मैंने ना ये ब्रांड से पहले भी बहुत कुछ चीज़ें ऑर्डर किया था तो मेरे को पता था कि ये कपड़ा तो ज़रूर अच्छा आएगा. So I got this one and it's only for 499 rupees. The color is so cute. I mean the color combo, like the blue and you know white is just giving. It's very pretty. It has this very soft some material and I would highly recommend you all क्योंकि look at this guys, it's so good. I have a lot of you know like kapra from this brand and trust me they do amazing job. Quality बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है and price is always around like 499 to 599 ऐसा. तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा सही लगता है ये brand. तो I will recommend you all and I'll link it in my description box. You guys can go and check it out. Okay, so moving on to my next one. I have this very pretty सा top and this one ना you can wear it as a ethnic wear या western wear भी. It looks so cute okay, and it has this ऐसा lace detailing also and yeah it looks like this. It's in very funky सा color. I know you guys don't like इतना ज़्यादा color but मेरे को colors बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, so I always go for like जो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट कलर है ऐसा. मैं हमेशा खुद को कहती हूँ कि आई विल गो फॉर द नॉर्मल कलर्स ताकि आई कैन वेयर इट मोर ऑफन ऐसा, बट दिल है कि मानता नहीं. आई ऑलवेज एंड अप चूजिंग द ब्राइटेस्ट कलर. द टॉप लुक्स लाइक दिस एंड इट हैज़ दिस पूरा लेस डिटेलिंग और हाथ में भी ऐसा लेस वाला डिटेलिंग है. यू कैन स्टाइल इट इन लाइक एथनिक वे बट यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टाइल इट ऐसा वेस्टर्न वे में. बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है मतलब इतना ऐसा बात करने के लिए ये टॉप के बारे में, बट दिस टॉप यू नो इट्स very lightweight and it's versatile. That's the reason I love it. You can wear it as a short kurti also, and the best thing is it's only for 398 rupees, which I feel like it's a steal deal. If you're someone who loves wearing short kurti, then I have another recommendation for you all. It's in this very elegant सा color में, beige you can say, क्योंकि white और beige के बीच में आते हैं. This is not white color, okay guys. This one is white and this one is beige, let's say. The color combo is nice. It gives very elegant वाला vibe. मैंने ये recently पहना था when I went to mall, and a lot of you guys liked my top. Again मैंने Instagram में story डाला था. और इसका जो hand detailing है ना, it's again very simple and really nice. So अगर आप ऑफिस जाते हैं, you want to wear something on like ethnic day, then you guys can go and check out this one क्योंकि it is so good and I really love the material of this one. It has this premium वाला feeling but in affordable price में. But the thing that you have to remember while purchasing this is आपको ना बार बार iron करना पड़ेगा. Even if you fold it and keep it properly ना, ये ऐसा wrinkle हो ही जाता है. That's the issue with this short kurti. बाकी तो I love everything about this short kurti. Okay, so moving on to my next one. It's not a secret anymore that I love wearing oversized shirts. जब भी मेरे को ना ऐसा बाहर कहीं casual day out में जाना होता है तो I like to wear shirts only. और ना मेरे पास बहुत कम shirts है, so I decided to get another one, and it's in this beautiful सा shade of pink. It looks so good and it's very lightweight, so I feel like it's perfect for summer. अगर आप winter में ये पहनना चाहोगे then I think आप अंदर में ही पहन सकते हैं क्योंकि इसका जो material है ना, it's very light वाला material. But हाँ, I really love the color, and if you guys are looking for shirts then you guys can also go and check out ये वाला जो shirt मैंने पहन रखा है. इसका अलग अलग color आप जाके check out कर सकते हैं क्योंकि this one gives very premium वाला feel. This shirt is also nice for like normal day out ऐसा. But हाँ, I really love the color and I see myself wearing this a lot and it is comfortable, so that's the best thing. Okay, so now I'm left with two products and I might just return this. I'm not sure. Like one तो I am going to return it, but this one I'm not sure, so please guys help me out. So I ordered this combo tank top and it was in very affordable price. Yeah, it was only for 495. 495 में I ordered 3 tank tops and I expected it to be in like थोड़ा cotton material में जैसा यहाँ picture में दिखाया है, but I received it in like another material only. And yeah, 495 for like 3 tank top, it's a very good price. Let me show you all. Okay, now you might ask कि गोम आपने टैंक टॉप क्यों ऑर्डर किया है. नाउ तो यू वर सेइंग कि अभी विंटर आ रहा है ऐसा ऐसा, बट लेट मी टेल यू ऑल गाइस, जब आप विंटर में जैकेट पहनोगे तब आपको लेयरिंग के लिए कुछ चाहिए होता है. पर्सनली मी ना, आई डोंट लाइक टू वेयर ऐसा हाई नेक, ऐसा फुल अंदर में स्वेटर फिर ऊपर में ऐसा, मेरे से नहीं होता है. आई कांट वेयर इतना सारा कपड़ा, इसलिए मैंने ये टैंक टॉप ऑर्डर किया है ताकि थोड़ा लाइट वेट भी फील हो जैकेट पहनते वक्त ऐसा ना. सो आई हैव दिस 3 टैंक टॉप. लेट मी show you all the material कि material कैसा वाला है. Okay, the white one looks fine, so I'll just show you another one. Yeah, this is the one. Look at the material guys, like it's very different. I think this is like I don't know what material is this, but इसका जो material है ये मेरे को इतना सही नहीं लगा. I think winter में तो अच्छा ही लगेगा क्योंकि ये body में ऐसा itching वाला feeling नहीं देगा, but summer में this is not the material that I would prefer. And it comes in set of 3. Like this is the gray one, this is the white one. I like the white one, and here is the black one. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा confused हूँ whether to keep it or not क्योंकि winter में I will be needing something for layering, right? Like अंदर में पहनने के लिए. तो black color I love it, but I have black color में tank top, I already have it. So now I'm left with white and gray. Moving on to my next one, it's again a black color का shirt. और मैंने ये try करके देखा था. The fitting is very very off. I've ordered from this brand पहले भी, but मेरे को ना इन लोगों का कपड़ा अच्छा लगा था, so I was expecting like something good. I got this in M size and ये जो shirt है वो ऐसा cropped वाला shirt है. It has this very off वाला fitting. आपका जो shirt वाला है ना वो ऐसा बैठता है. Even if you like unbutton ना, उसके बाद भी ये ऐसे ही बैठता है. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ही रखूँ when it's not comfortable at all. So I am going to return this one. And I think ये shirt भी 499 ऐसे ही price में था. Let me tell you all the exact price. 399 rupees, and इसमें और 2 colors भी available है, red and white color. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I am very excited for all the winter collections. So come for the part 2 where I'll be showing you all some winter clothes. I'm very excited guys. So if you are watching till the end, then don't forget to comment this emoji. I will see you all very soon with my next video. Bye, take care.